Good afternoon. I'm Connor Keeley.
I'm Genesis.
I'm Amelie.
And today we're here to discuss Hurricane Otis and our weekly forecast. Hurricane Otis was a very powerful hurricane in the eastern Pacific Basin that slammed into the west coast of Mexico as a 165-mile-an-hour Category 5 hurricane. Yesterday morning, Otis was merely a tropical storm. Then the system moved over a nearshore patch of hot water where the sea surface temperatures reached 31 degrees Celsius in some places, 88 degrees Fahrenheit. It explosively intensified into a nightmare scenario. According to the National Hurricane Center, gaining more than 100 miles per hour wind speed in 24 hours. Suddenly, the tropical storm became a Category 5 hurricane just before reaching Acapulco, home to 1 million people at 12:25 a.m. local time, and no one saw it coming.
Here is multiple water vapor images of Hurricane Otis. What the water vapor showed us is the density of the cloud tops to see the structure of the image as Hurricane Otis barrels on shore.
So Hurricane Otis started out as a tropical storm that was supposed to weaken to a tropical depression in 5 to 7 days, as it turned out to sea. But then it started moving more northwest and was forecasted to come into Mexico as a tropical storm and prompted tropical storm watches for a portion of Mexico's west coast. As it strengthened, it prompted tropical storm warnings along with a hurricane watch, as it was possible for potential hurricane development. It continued to strengthen and became a hurricane and prompted those hurricane watches to become hurricane warnings. It then continued to strengthen even more and forecasted to become a major hurricane right before landfall. But it wasn't over yet. It continued onto the rare Category 5 before landfall, coming ashore as a 165-mile-per-hour Category 5 hurricane before weakening as it moved onto land.
So here's our 7-day forecast, starting with Saturday with a high of 89 and a low of 68, with the rain chances topping up between 7 to 10% chance, and our winds being east-northeast at 11 miles an hour with partly cloudy conditions. And then Sunday, a high of 89, a low of 68. Rain chances about 11% chance again, and then winds out of the east-northeast at 12 miles an hour. So as you guys can see, it's going to be a pretty nice week with a cold front coming in on Wednesday, bringing our highs down to 79 to 80 degrees, with lows being anywhere from 57 to 61 degrees, with our rain chances dropping with a good north to northeasterly wind from 13 to 15 miles an hour. And just to note that the cold front will bring in drier, cooler conditions behind it, so rain chances will be pretty low for the second half of the week before rain chances go up into next weekend. And then just weather maps to go along with our 7-day forecast, with our day 4 map with the cold front coming through the Florida Peninsula into southeastern Georgia, with the low pressure being located just over Savannah. And then on day 5, which is Wednesday, the cold front has now moved through our area and moving through the Fort Myers and Naples area, with that low pressure being just off the eastern seaboard of the United States of America. So I want to thank everybody for watching today's video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you.